morning and welcome to the channel. It's bright and early in the morning. Starting this video off in the truck, and we're talking about this truck. So I had a bit of a problem this morning with my truck. I went to use the electric start with my key fob. Same way I've been starting the truck with my key fob since I bought it. I tried 3 times. Nothing. It wouldn't start. I'm like trying to warm the truck up so I can, warm it up so it's not so cold for when I get the kid in the truck, right? In the morning. And, it wasn't having it. I don't know what the hell is going on with it or why the hell my truck is doing that. Once I get to work, now that I have the kid dropped off, we're gonna try it and see what happens. See if it'll start then. I don't know, because on the Chevys and GM product, I know you have to hit the lock button twice and then hit the start button. Well, that's how I started all my vehicles with electric start. I always hit the lock button twice and then hit the start button. It wouldn't do it. I don't know why. So I didn't get to warm my truck up this morning. It's kind of depressing. I also have the app on my phone, but I didn't try that because, well, at that time I didn't think about it. So, sorry, it was getting cold with the window down. I know it's dark and people look at you funny when you drive with the lights on, so. But, other than that, we're going to give it a shot when I get to work and see if it'll start. I mean, I'm driving it right now, but it just wouldn't start from the electric start. You guys that have similar year trucks or any vehicle out there with electric start, comment and let me know if this has happened to you, and what you guys did to fix the problem. Because the remote, like my fob still works. I know the batteries aren't dead in it because it still unlocks and locks my truck. It's not that I was too far away because I was standing in the garage trying to do it. 10 feet from my truck with the garage door open. So, if there's any insight you guys could give me on that, please let me know. But we will see you again when we get to work. We're just driving right now, so we're gonna kill that light and we'll see you when we get to work. Alright, so we're finally here at work. I just got out of the truck. Lock. Yep, now it works. So, I don't know what to tell you. As you can see, it just started working again. Mind blown. I did it 3 times at home before I left for work, and it wouldn't do it. It wouldn't do it. So, I don't know. And now it works. So, if you guys have any insight or if any have had this problem with your vehicles before, Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. It would be greatly appreciated for any insight that you guys can give me and what was done to fix the problem. Thank you, and have a great day.